Hello everyone, welcome to this week's Tutorial Tuesday video. This week I am featuring some of the new colors from the Surf City collection from Light Elegance, which is available now. I've done kind of like a galaxy sort of look, but it's like a summer galaxy with all the bright fun colors. So starting off with the Just White Buttercream from Light Elegance, and I'm applying that with the number 4 oval bling brush. And I'm just doing 2 thin coats, so curing after the first one. I'm doing 2 just because when I start to marble my colors, I don't want any like track marks with the white moving away from the nail. And then I'm going to come in with the 3 different colors. So I'm doing Hunks and Trunks, She's a Copper Catch, and Sun Bum. And I'm going to use the mini cleanup brush from Uber Chic to apply these. So on my second layer of the Just White Buttercream, before I cure, is when I'm going to start kind of pulling these summer colors through and kind of wiggling my brush and getting some lines going to kind of give it that sort of galaxy, like milky kind of look to it. I'm just playing around, placing the colors at random and sort of swirling them together and swirling them in with the white. And then once you're happy with the look that you've created, you can give that a quick 30-second cure. And then I've come in with the color HOTDOGGER, which is the new orange mylar glitter. And I'm just sort of placing it randomly on the nail, kind of as like my stars to this sort of galaxy look. And now I'm coming in with a little bit of flexure. You can use whatever gel you like to adhere your crystal pixies with. And then I'm using the crystal pixies in the Petite, the color Fruity Orange. And I'm just going to apply my flexure just where I want to put my pixies. And then I'm actually going to take my brush and dip it right into the pixie jar and just pick up a few pixies and lay them down into my flexure. And I've just done it this way because I haven't finished the nail, so if I were to pour it on, it would still stick to that little bit of the dispersion layer that is present from curing the colors. And I'm going to repeat the whole process on this second nail here. And on these other 2 fingers, I'm going to do the streaking technique that I love. So I've applied a nice coat of the Just White Buttercream, and then I'm taking the color She's a Copper Catch and just streaking it through the uncured buttercream. Once you're happy with that, giving it a quick 30-second cure. And then I'm going to do 2 layers of the HOTDOGGER, and I'm doing it this way because it gives it a little bit more dimension, and I find it easier to sort of place the mylar where you'd like it to go when you do it in 2 layers rather than trying to get it all where you want it in 1 layer. And again, giving that a quick 30-second cure when you're happy with it. And doing the same thing on this final nail over here. And then jumping back over to these sort of galaxy summer nails here, I wanted to show you what the difference looks like when you encapsulate your pixies compared to when you leave them textured on top of the nail. So I'm just filling this in with Flex, but you can use whatever building gel you prefer. And then I have just given that a quick shape as well. And then finishing off this look, I'm going to use Flat Matte on the pointer and pinky fingers. And then I'm going to use Super Shiny on the 2 galaxy nails. So the one with the textured pixies, I'm painting around the pixies, making sure that I'm touching all of the edges so that it seals your edges and they don't chip off really easily. And then I like to wipe my brush really well and just kind of stab it in between the pixies, and that just gives you a little bit extra insurance with those guys. And then as always, giving that a full cure, so that's 2 minutes in UV or 1 minute in LED. and wiping off your dispersion layer, and that is the final look that I've done for you today. So I hope that you guys have enjoyed this week's video. I had a lot of fun making it. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the section below. And thank you for always subscribing and liking and sharing our videos. You can also support us by liking us on Facebook and following us on Instagram.